welcome Marty McIntyre, the Executive Director of...
I have a new name.
They have a new name, fresh, but they used to be the Precast Prestressed concrete producers for Wisconsin and Illinois. This is a big name, and she has a big position, but she had a sweet heart and sweet spirit. She came all the way from Chicago to be with us. She injured her foot, but she's walking well.
I am walking, so that's an improvement for 6 months ago. So, thank you. I will give you all the information. I know you need that. Dr. Wabi asks for reports, so I'll give you my name and everything again in a slide. I came today to talk to you about precast and prestressed concrete, and I'm going to talk a little bit about what the different products are, how they all work together, what are some of the construction issues that our members look at and that come in the erection of a building, and a little bit about color and texture and how you can make it look nice, and the things that architects probably care about more than you do. But just to get started, I thought I'd show you a little 8-minute video, and this just goes through a lot of the history of our industry and what all of the different products are. So it's a nice video that they did for the 50th anniversary of the association. And let me start that. Doing anything? There, okay. And yeah, there's no... Ah, okay. Ah, there we go.
Of the past 50 years.
Sound is good in the back. You can restart if you like.
They didn't really miss anything.
They'd like to see this.
You want to see it again?
Never imagined the changes we've seen in our own industry, the innovations in architecture, construction, and building materials. When Gustav Moniel designed the Walnut Lane Memorial Bridge in 1950, who could have conceived that an entirely new industry would take shape based on applications for precast concrete? When the Precast Prestressed Concrete Institute was formed 50 years ago in 1954, we imagined a future when precast prestressed concrete would be one of the world's most widely used building materials. That future is now. Today, as always, PCI continues to work closely with producers, suppliers, and professionals to develop new techniques, certify precast's quality, and educate the industry about precast concrete's advantages for today's construction team. During the recent AIA convention, designers reflected on precast's past, present, and future.
Right now, precast is back into the market very strongly with the jump in steel pricing. Everybody's looking to precast. And speed. Speed is what this whole thing is about. Everybody wants that product fast and delivered.
Precast's speed of construction is a key benefit designers appreciate.
I use precast on projects because of cost and a lot of times because of the schedule. It needs to go up quick, and precast is a good way of reducing your schedule.
Precast's quality is widely acknowledged.
The things we look at in the exterior skin systems we evaluate with our owners and our architectural partners is, one, the quality of the product. Two, is it a cost-effective solution to the overall building? And what we found is most recently is precast is a great solution, especially as we're comparing it to other products such as a granite material or what we call a GFRC, glass fiber reinforced concrete.
The more that you can do in plant or off-site and bring on-site, I think the quality is going to be a lot better. And also with materials waste, that can be managed as well.
Precast's quality and durability are key benefits to owners and architects.
Well, there are benefits of time, constructability, benefits in certain climates for certain types of uses.
I believe it is a very flexible material with an inherent thermal performance and, with correct detailing, good durability, and really its ability to be formed into the wonderful three-dimensional shape.
As new ideas take shape, still more are in the imaginations of designers and producers, waiting to be brought to life.
The technology that today is available using 3D modeling and using more than actually 3D modeling, I would like to refer to it as 4D modeling, and the fact that that encompasses the entire building integration modeling. It refers to the fact that we now have an ability to integrate all aspects of the trades and the specialties that work in creating a building in a single cycle, in a type of technology that allows it to integrate seamlessly among itself, will provide tremendous advantages to the precast industry.
In the future, more commercial structures will be framed with complete precast systems, using the various repetitive components created by precasting techniques. Today's all precast designs consist of precast columns, beams, floor members, exterior finished members, and stair and elevator shafts. This approach can create structural components with architectural finishes, reducing piece counts and saving materials. Building height won't be restrained by total precast systems, as even 50-story buildings can be easily designed.
It's a very innovative moment in all construction. We're seeing a proliferation of new building systems and materials, things that we really never imagined before. So we're seeing a boom in tall buildings all over the world. At the same time that we're seeing advances in all types of building systems and materials.
Buildings now feature precast concrete panels with glazing and window openings and even stud backups applied to the plant. More complex finishes are being used on architectural panels, surpassing the traditional finishes that designers expect. Custom form liners, heavier textures, multicolored panels, and intricate designs are becoming popular.
I love the material. You can do anything with concrete and get it to span, support, and accept load in any shape or fashion. The behavior of the material, although it's non-linear, it is a very easy material to design, very easy material to produce, and the end result is beautiful buildings.
The advances being made today in seismic connections will continue, producing techniques that create safe, cost-effective designs in every seismic zone. Ultra-high performance concrete is expanding the durability of precast concrete to 30,000 psi and beyond. New performance characteristics for concrete mix designs are creating higher strengths, faster production, and better aesthetics for all types of projects. Precast pre-stressed components are being used for more bridge pieces, including beams, deck slabs, pier caps, and columns. Precast can greatly speed bridge replacement and initial construction.
The fact that today we are able to push the length of the spans well beyond anything that we ever considered to do in the past by using splice girder design, it is a tremendous advantage to the precast industry. We virtually have now an ability to play, in essence, in a market that we have never been able to play in the past.
New strands, such as carbon fiber reinforced polymers, are replacing steel and producing more durable, higher strength components.
We see advances, for instance, with new carbon fiber technology that allows composite products that are twice as strong as steel. In concrete, we see mixtures, fibers, for instance, added to the basic product that make a lightweight product that is stronger than its competitor original.
New standards are being promoted by Leadership in Energy and Environmental Design, an initiative of the U.S. Green Building Council. The result? A growing interest in sustainable design, boosting precast's potential even further.
I see green building becoming the next wave of manufacturing and using materials that are economically safe. They don't create harmful environmental problems, if you would.
It gives us a lot of flexibility in terms of the aesthetic component of our projects, and it also lets us move ahead our agenda to increase the sustainable design content of all our projects.